Dear Gameloft, you never cease to amaze me, always releasing great games aplenty. A wide range of games to play, there's too many for me to say. Which one should I pick? At this rate, I'll be playing Gameloft games all week. Awesome titles that fit in your pants. What could be more awesome than that? Chocolate eggplants? With your games loaded on my iPod Touch 4G, I'm ready to play the games of great variety. I'm no longer bored on any long-distance trip. Instead, I'm too busy fighting in my spaceship. Like in Star Battalion, I'm blasting away, flying and gunning in the vast galaxy. Brothers in Arms, Modern Combat and Nova are a great deal of fun, pumping enemies full of lead with the help of my gun. Carl Wardin is a pretty cool guy. He kills aliens and is not afraid to die. In some songs of Guitar Rock Tour, I cannot perfect the chorus. You've made so many games, you've even made one of Chuck Norris. Playing Spider-Man Total Mayhem is great to pass some time. After this, I think I'm gonna play some gangster and commit some more crimes. Soccer games, golf games, and even games for my brain. I can't buy all of them, are you insane? Cooking up some delicious burgers in Pocket Chef. Or what about using stealth to escape certain death? I almost forgot to mention GT Racing, but I can't drive well enough to avoid crashing. Finally, the end of my poem is here. So, happy holidays Gameloft, and let's look forward to another fantastic year.